You might have come across people saying things like, speak to DataOps, the request needs to go to DataOps, you need to send that to the DataOps team. But have you ever wondered what it's like behind the curtains? We live behind the scenes, and we're involved in a lot that goes on in Pepco IT. So let's give you a sneak peek in our daily routine. But first, some coffee. Okay, that's better. So DataOps consists of two sub-teams, DBAs and DevOps. Our DBAs manage and maintain the Oracle, MySQL, and SQL Server databases, including database-related tasks like installation, configuration, performance tuning, monitoring, availability, and structure changes. And we also make sure our systems adhere to the latest security requirements. On the DevOps side, we focus on building frameworks related to automation of processes to various systems. And we manage and provision applications like WebLogic, Tomcat, and Docker containers, and are responsible for hosting shared services like GitLab, Jenkins, Artifactory, and monitoring tools like Isinga, Oracle Enterprise Manager, and Graylog, with managing the GCP organization as another responsibility. Now, to put some faces behind the team. In DBA, we have Ruan, Lee, Chris, Chantal, Matthew, and Sandy, and in DevOps, we have Jeremy, Marco, MG, Alicia, and Anga, with Gustav Schultz at the helm as our team lead and Tamsin as our Scrum Master. Now, back to the sneak peek. We start every day with our daily Scrum checking to add a little inspiration to get our day started off the right way. We run through our priority items and have a few laughs in between, hearing a few moans and groans about sleep deprivation from the standby guys. After the Scrum, the real work begins. But first, we need another coffee. We can never say for sure how our day will turn out, as we often get pulled in to resolve a problem or a production incident or blocker that requires our immediate attention, which might end up with us joining a war room to get that issue resolved ASAP. This means there's a constant tug and pull with our priorities, and we as a team need to be able to quickly change course so we are not caught off guard with impacting our project work and deadlines. But let's focus on a good day in DataOps without any production issues. Imagine that. So a typical day would involve us working on the following types of tasks: software installations and configurations of new DBAs and application servers, monitoring and tuning of systems, backup management and restores, QA refreshes, focusing on project deliverables, rolling out bold automation pipelines for new projects, designing solutions based on requirements, building and maintaining automation frameworks, server maintenance, upgrades and patching, budget, capacity planning, auditing, coordination and license management, GCP organization administration, management of Google Composer, Stream Sets, and the Beautiful Data team, and maintain third-party apps like Jira, Symmetric DS, and Manhattan. As you can see, our tool set is quite large, and we need to be able to have a deep knowledge and understanding of a lot of tools, technologies, and platforms. This is why a big part of the team is collaboration to come up with new innovations and improvements. Our team mindset is all about scalability. Therefore, we don't want to do the same thing over and over and try to automate as much as possible. Once the workday is over, our standby roster kicks in, with someone from each of the sub-teams going on standby for the after-hour shift. They ensure everything keeps running optimally during the night and weekends. In conclusion, the DataOps team strategically fits into Pepco IT, similar to how Pepco IT fits into the Pepco group. The DataOps team supports the development and operational teams using various supportive tools, technologies, and platforms, focusing on providing the best support possible at the most affordable cost, whilst ensuring everything is scalable and running smoothly. And this is a day in the life of the DataOps. And to end it all off, another coffee. Thanks.